line her up, line her up. All right, here you go. Oh my God! And here we are, Beast Max on 3-cell. I've got a 1000 milliamp 3S in there now. I will say I've already burnt a little bit of power up and down the car park. This thing's out of control. Oh my God. Jesus. I've only just sort of gone like half throttle. Oh my goodness. Gee whiz. Alright, let's go on the jumps. Alrighty. Struggle town on grip. Population me. Ugh. Grass shouldn't hold it back now, but oh my goodness. Let's see if we can line it up and get some speed. Oh. I thought I would have gone for the backflip then. It's still alright. Still, you know what? Durability wise, it's not that bad. Landed the backflip, baby. This thing's, oh my God, this is comical. Alright, it doesn't handle great. Tires are crap and the suspension is non-existent, but man, I haven't laughed this hard in a while. Alright, let's see if we can do another one. When it hooks. Oh, that rear spoiler is putting in work. Come on. Let's see if we can do one more. Lining up, lining up. Oh, stuck the backflip. Let's go. All right, let's see if we can do a bigger. Now, can we line up for the big one here? Because this will be interesting. This thing is so fast. Stay upright, yeah. Oh God, come on, grip. Grip, baby, grip. Every little thing unsettles this car when you're trying to drive straight. Yeah, there's something going on there. I'm not getting steering. Did I break it already? Yeah. Hang on, let's have a look. Right there it is. So that has come off there. I think maybe the screws snapped or something's gone wrong. But hopefully you guys can see that. That should be in there and it's preventing this from fully stretching. The arm's twisted. It's a bit all over the place. I'll see if I can fix it. And we'll go back for more.
A few moments later.
All right, car's back in order. Screw just backed out, nothing broke. Put a bit of Loctite in there, fixed her up, and we are good to go. And let's see if we can line her up here. At least that gave the ESC a chance to cool off a little bit, so now it's probably got a bit more punch than before. It's not as heat soaked. Come on. Come on, line her up, line her up. All right, here you go. Oh my God! What? What in the world? Oh. Stay upright. Oh, you. Yeah. Okay, so because I don't know how much battery I have left, we're going to go straight to the Superman jump and see if we can do a couple of jumps here. I'm really quite impressed by the resilience of this car. I mean, I was really upset about the suspension not having any oil in it. It's alive! Oh my god. You wouldn't have thunk it. I mean, this is what, $100 car? It's taken some hits. It's got more air than some of the cars I've driven that are like 2-3 times the price. Oop, bit out of line there. This has definitely impressed me. Here we go. Went a bit off course, but oh, it's so windy and it's so cold. You guys don't know. It's like 11 or 12 degrees at the moment, and this wind, this southerly wind coming from the Arctics, it's just not nice. Definitely not getting as much clearance on this jump because we've got some headwind now. But a 1000 milliamp 3S is putting up a fight. I mean, that battery is actually lasting a lot longer than I gave it credit for. Here we go. A double! A double! It just didn't stick the landing because it rebounded. Alright, here we go. We still haven't killed it and the battery still hasn't died. So until one of those two things happens, we're going to keep it going. My god, the air that this thing is getting! The air that this little car is getting. Just I sneezed a bit too hard on the throttle and the thing just came up straight away. Here we go. Lands a front flip. Come on, and the lights are blinking because I pressed the button again. It's right there next to my thumb, so when I squeeze the radio to try and correct the car, it just presses the button. Oh, what's happened? Something stuck in the wheels? Yeah, it looks like there was just something stuck in the wheels maybe. Let's go, come on. Well, I don't know what... Hang on. I can hear something. No? Okay, let's go fetch it. Okay, so Blair has volunteered to get the cart to jump over him. Shouldn't be too hard. As long as I line it up, it should be okay. Here we go. Oh no, LVC! LVC! Just as I punched it, as hitting the jump, we are out of juice. There it is, no power. The 1000 milliamp battery has finally caved in, and this little car, oh my god, what can we say? Yes, the suspension is pretty rubbish, but durability wise and speed wise and fun wise, this thing's definitely surprised me. For what you pay versus what you get, this is a ripper little car, but you kind of need to put the 3S in it, or get a better quality 2S, because the lithium ion didn't have the punch that you'd sort of get out of a 3S, at least that I was getting at it with this battery anyway. So great little car, cool features, and yeah, it survived the Superman jump and then some, and no doubt it'll be back for more. Hopefully if I can tune up those shocks, replace them and get a better handling out of this car, I think it'll be back for some more punishment. That's it from me guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.